I'm here representing Directorate of Cashew Nut and Cocoa Development and the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. We have been implementing various development programs for cashew for the whole country as a whole. And this forum is really an informative forum for me, and this is the first time that I am interacting with various processors of this sector, which is a very important part of the cashew industry. We were directly involved with various research institutions, government, other government departments, even other non-governmental organizations, societies and all, for implementing our mission for integrated development of horticulture, which is the biggest holistic program of Government of India for the development of all the horticultural crops. So in that, cashew is also one of the important crops which is being implemented through us. In that we have several other programs like new planting program, area expansion program, replanting, then technology demonstration, wherein we are associating with various research institutes, organizations for disseminating the latest advanced technologies which are useful for the farming community, that needs to be disseminated to the ground level for it to be productive. So such sort of activities. Apart from that, the publicity works like the seminars, training programs, awareness programs, all these things are conducted as a part of our DCCD's initiative, and we have been doing since 2005 onwards, where MIDH has been implemented. So what I could see is that this is the right time where we have to intervene into, because we know that now the present situation is different from that of the previous. Now the exports are reducing, import is increasing, and the stage has reached now where the imports will again be restricted. We not be able to get the raw materials for our processing sector as a whole. And then it is very important that we have to go for a massive area expansion program so that our production and productivity is increased. So for that, we have to rope in with all the state, almost 19 states are there in our country, which is able to cultivate cashew as a crop. The land is feasible, we have varieties, we have even technologies which can increase the production. So all the state departments, development departments have to come forward with the suitable, the feasible land which is available with them, and propose the programs which they can take up, involving various non-governmental organizations or so. And now I have been told that ICA has taken up a new project in which they are trying to aggregate the land of different farmers and take initiatives to implement this program. Definitely DCCD as a development organization can support with respect to implementing like technology transfer programs and all. The demonstrations can be done. Apart from that, all the state departments that I have been telling, because they are also directly under ministry, they are availing the funds from MIDH. Let the state departments also propose programs from their side so that they can get the money from the government for the benefit of the farmers. The new planting program, the cost norms which has been already there in the MIDH is applicable for all the plantation crops. So the feasibility of the land has to be tested. A committee can be formed so that with the scientists or experts, so that they can regularly inspect the site and find out the feasibility of that particular area, suitability of it, the varieties, region-wise nurseries can be promoted, so that when we take up the planting material production program, the planting material can be supplied through these regional nurseries. So everything should go in a network sort of mean, wherein each and every sector has to be interrelated with each other, which can ultimately lead to increase in production and productivity. And I hope that with the initiative of ICA and with involvement of all the state and central departments, we can go in for such a massive program. This is not a difficult thing to achieve. It can definitely be possible. The thing is that the involvement of all the stakeholders should be there. It's not a single agency can do it. DCCD alone cannot do anything. The first thing is that DCCD cannot do alone anything, because we don't have even the regional offices also. The state departments, the individual farmer groups have to take initiative have to approach us, have to approach the state department, state governments, so that this program can be taken up in a larger pace. That's what which I want to say about all this program, and it's really eye-opener for me to come here and interact with you all people. So it was very nice experience, and we hope that let's make our country self-sustained in cashew production. Thank you.